To the PIB, which is also the Press Information Bureau, has now put up a post fact-checking these claims that have been made by the opposition, as far as there are several videos and pictures that have been circulating of individuals who could be seen bound in handcuffs. The PIB says that this is a fake image and is being shared widely on social media, which claims that these are illegal Indian migrants who are handcuffed and their legs that have been chained. However, the PIB says that these images are being shared on social media do not pertain to Indians, instead shows those who were deported to Guatemala. Let's get in a word from Nyamika as well, because Nyamika, we have seen at the beginning of today's session, both houses erupted in protest and they have been demanding answers and from the government side to make it stand clear, especially when it comes to the treatment that was meted out to the illegal Indian immigrants who were deported, who were sent back from the United States. However, there have been different versions that have been coming so far.
Well, indeed, if we talk about the opposition parties in particular, then from the very beginning of the day, they had started making pressure upon the government of India, as we have seen that various Congress parties, member of parliament had given their adjournment motion notices, not just in Lok Sabha, but many of them have also given these notices in the Rajya Sabha as well, demanding a discussion about this entire matter, as we have seen that various voices are coming in on the part of the opposition MPs, in which they are making this statement that it is basically a fault of the central government, because we have seen that how even the Congress Party's General Secretary as well as the Member of Parliament, Ms. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, has also spoken about this matter, and she has said that the manner in which these Indian nationals have been brought back to the country, that is very much inhuman, and she has also questioned the BJP government at center that why they had not arranged a plane for these Indian nationals if they had to come back to our country. Not just her, but in fact it was the Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP and the Deputy Leader in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, who has said that this is basically an insult of the Bharat Mata, the manner in which these visuals are coming in which the Indian nationals are being chained, and not just that, but he has also mentioned that how they were being brought back into the country in a particular plane. That is very much unfortunate, and it is very shameful for the entire country as well, and that is the reason why the India bloc leaders have come out in open. They also held a protest within the parliament premises, in which top leaders of the India bloc parties, including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Akhilesh Yadav,
symbolic protest by the opposition that was also seen. However, it remains to be seen when it comes to the statement that would be issued by the External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, in the parliament over this issue. As Nyamika continues to be with us, we get your reactions. Exactly what